Hi, my name is Tracy McMullen, and I'm excited to introduce how to manage metadata using the Outline Load utility and SmartView for your planning applications. There are a number of different ways to maintain all of the planning metadata. We can use ODI, we can use FDME, and we of course have the planning dimension editor and the web interface for maintaining our planning application. Two other options that are available to you, the Outline Load utility, and we can actually use Excel and SmartView to maintain some of the planning metadata. The Outline Load utility has been around for several versions, and you can do a number of different things related to metadata within the planning application. You can build dimensions, you can build attribute dimensions, you can populate smart lists, you can load data, you can export dimensions and data, you can import planning unit hierarchies if you're using the approval process, and much more. You can interface data using flat files or, in recent versions, directly with relational databases. The Outline Load utility is surfaced over the web, or there is a command line utility. The web interface is a GUI interface within the planning application that you can access, and you can import metadata from a file, or you can export metadata from a file. The same options are available for data if you wanted to use that option as well. Now again, FDME is another option that's available, and in this presentation we'll discuss the pros and cons and which tools provide which features to help you determine what's the right way to maintain metadata for your specific environment and application. The syntax for running the Outline Load utility in command line mode is pretty straightforward, and you're going to pass in a number of different parameters. If you were pulling in data from a text file or relational database, the data file is going to be in parent-child format, and then it's going to list out all of the different properties that you're going to actually be importing into the file. Now, there's a number of different parameters that you can specify in the command line. Now again, just wanted to say that there is support for the relational database as sources for both imports and exports. This is a great way with the Outline Load utility to automate a number of your builds and loads into the planning application. Now, some of you may be saying, can I just use Excel? I like the Excel interface. I do everything else in Excel. And the answer is yes. You can, in recent versions, use SmartView. There's a planning administrator connection or extension that allows you to connect in and be able to see your dimensions in SmartView